holding the camera like this. And I'm talking. That man got them red guts.
I'm gonna leave it.
Okay. Ooh, let me let them. Ooh, y'all see this shit? Ooh, shit.
I can't.
Y'all see this shit? Yeah, fuck you talking about? Yeah, Well, I'm about to fuck this shit up. I done started YouTubing. Y'all wanna say hey? They can see you though. Alright, I'm gonna show you. Say hey. Yeah, follow Stormy. That's right. Subscribe, all that. Yeah, I'm trying to eat this cupcake. We out here at Living Rap Play-Doh. Let me go shout out my DJ real quick. Shout out DJ Rascal. Shout out Bree Bree. Fuck you talking about? This shit nice though. Hookah. Yours? I like it. Get the purple one? Get the purple. I got you. I got you. I gotta hold on this cupcake. All right. We got Devil Scat out here. Got Scat Daddle. DL1 tray. Look, we got a Jeep. Like, yeah. We got shit out here now. We got starlights. Uh-oh. Got that track out, motherfucker. You want to say something about YouTube? Well, damn, fuck the car, ain't it? Fuck them, ain't it?
What's up, YouTube? Subscribe to her channel, man. She's good, man. She got a lot of content coming our way, and she's actually beautiful. So.
Thank you. Shout out Top Stepper. Fuck you talking about?
Yeah, yeah.
All right, so we finna start looking at these cars. This is ZL1. Let me shut up, cause y'all should know this. She back there in front of the DJ booth.
You were swinging.
This man 12 right here. You can't see. Y'all, this right here is a crazy ass purple. I like that purple. What's your purple called?
Huh?
What's your purple called?
Plum Crazy?
No, that purple.
That's my purple card. Yeah, yeah.
It's called Plum Crazy?
Yeah, yeah.
I like that purple. This my boy. Ah, don't say that! This my boy Razor right here. Fuck you talking about? This my boy 345 Rilo right here. He need to let me drive his car for a POV. You got a Durango out here. What kind of Durango this is? The RT Durango. Oh, yo, what's up? I don't know much about Mustangs. We gonna come back over here on that side. We got this bad cat right here. Let me see if I go find his Instagram name, because I don't know it off the dome. That bitch is low as a fuck right now. His name just Kel though. Here you go. Can y'all see? Just Kelt 797 _ Just Kelt 797. That's that bag red eye. Fuck you talking about? Say it again.
I'll sell it to you.
For how much? Free?
Yeah.
I'm down for free now. I'll take anything if it's free. We got another ZL1 back here. We got trucks out here. That's how you know we live. You gotta go out. See you back here. Why he in the car?
Yeah, I'm drunk as a fuck.
Yeah, fuck you talking about. Long live my nigga Reggie. Fuck you talking about. Long live my nigga forever. Forever. Oh, this that wanna play shit right here. What's up? Hey. Long live my nigga Reggie. Fuck you talking about. How you doing?
Crazy, I'm alright.
Got Capo Corn right here. You know this shit can't see your black ass.
Fuck you. They don't need to see me. What you on live? Or you
No, I'm YouTubing.
YouTubing?
Stones World. Fuck you talking about. Bye. This shit loud though. Anyways, let me finish doing this because y'all this shit over. I gotta go break my equipment down. We got that RT Durango right here. Got my boy Gabe, 392 white boy. And all his badass homeboys. There he go right there.
I want $100, man. I'm a $5.
Let me get $1. Let me hold $1.
Man, see? They ain't got no dollar bill, man. Hey,
Let me hold 100 then.
$100 I'm putting.
Let me hold 100. Let me hold 100.
I ain't got no 100 either.
Down, what up with it, Stormy?
Yeah, that's fine. What you say? What's up,
Come
bro?
on, man.
I ain't seen your car.
Big gang shit.
Boy, please. I seen your car, but I ain't seen you.
What the fuck going on with
Got a wide body smoke show. It's a 392. And you got my baby. Fuck you talking about? This the baddest bitch out here. I don't give a fuck what nobody say. This is the corn ass. That's that not stock ass shit. He need to turn his lights on. That nigga shit loud. That nigga shit loud. Alright, y'all, I'm about to go pack. The fuck? I'm about to go pack my DJ equipment up. So we out, y'all.